Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by jumping straight into photo mode. Press the pause menu key and select photo mode now. Once inside, turn HUD off so nothing distracts the frame, and choose a cinematic aspect ratio like 16:9 for drama. Make sure the Batmobile is parked or out of frame if you want uncluttered composition. Then pick your subject, Batman close-up, the vehicle, or skyline, and place the camera roughly 3 to 10 meters for a strong medium-wide shot. Now focus on core controls. Tweak exposure, shutter speed, and aperture to balance highlights and detail. Lower exposure tames blown skies, wider aperture blurs background for subject isolation. Once done, shape light with the time of day slider and directional lighting to add depth. Increase contrast to define edges and use bloom lightly for atmosphere. Make Batman pose and switch suits or expressions to tell a story. And refine camera, tilt, and framing using the rule of thirds, plus a foreground element for depth. Finish by polishing color grading. Either apply a LUT or adjust tint, highlights, midtones, and shadows manually so skin tones and metallics read correctly. Then select maximum resolution and quality. Export as PNG for lossless or high-quality JPEG if you need smaller files, and save a preset if you want repeatable results. If something goes wrong, glitches, missing textures, or camera freezes, reload photo mode, reset the camera position, or toggle HUD off and on, then reapply your settings and retake the shot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.